this is really exciting. It is a new subject that Generation Schools is offering, the coding and learning how to fly drones. For this term, what we've been focusing on is just the basics of how to fly drones without crashing too much into everyone around you, as well as the basics of coding. So we're using a block-based coding language, which will eventually slowly phase out the blocks and then move into Python or Java. And then eventually, once the kids have a better understanding of coding as well as everything that goes into flying drones, we will combine them and the kids will be able to pre-program a path for the drones to fly.
What I enjoy most about flying drones is the competitive side and me practicing to get better at flying drones.
Initially, when people think about drones, they don't think much more than the fact that they are lots of fun and you can fly around, and if there's a camera attached, you can film your garden or what your dog is doing. But what the students have been learning is that there's actually a lot more to flying drones.
I feel like it's going to help a lot with preventing fires and helping our planet. I also feel like it will help where it helps finding poachers and where the animals are located. What I enjoy most about flying the drone is using hand-eye coordination and how I use my brain.
So they are learning about altitude, how high or how low the drone needs to be in order for them to get through the obstacle course. They're learning about acceleration and deceleration. And all of these things are just linking to what they're learning in class. So it's linking to maths, it's linking to science. And then they're also learning that there are so many applications outside of school, that this is not just a classroom topic of learning.
I think that drones are very capable of delivering packages, and also for people that need first aid, like if they're stuck on a mountain or something, then they can have a first aid kit delivered to them.
So whilst the students are flying them around in the class, they're also constantly thinking about how they can adapt this to life outside of the classroom. It's really incredible.
I used to think that drones are just used for toys, but after taking this class I realized that they have a lot of real-world applications.
Learning how to fly drones and coding, they really do just go hand in hand. And teaching the students from such a young age, we are preparing them for life outside of school. We are preparing them for jobs that might not even exist yet. We are preparing them to go into a career in technology with everything that they need to succeed.